day of the Geneva Motor Show, and new launches from global car makers have been coming in thick and fast. But from the Indian stable, that's the important one. Tata Motors has taken the reins of Racemo, which is a mid-engine rear-wheel drive sports car. Now, that car is powered by a 1.2-litre Revotron motor that makes 190 PS of power. In fact, speaking exclusively to CNBC TV18 in Geneva, the Tata Motors MD said that the first delivery of Racemo will be done by the end of the year, and he added that the company's latest sedan, Tigor, will be in showrooms in less than a month, with a new SUV launch slated ahead of Diwali. Here's a slice of that chat.
What we have recently presented to the public, to the media, is the new passenger vehicle strategy, which consists of two pillars. The one is two future platforms as of 2018, where we actually leverage these platforms from currently 6 with even more different models, where we are going to leverage the two platforms with a degree of 80 to 90% of commonality in order to spread over wings across different segments and milieus in order to actually have economies of scale. And economies of scale means lower cost and helps to actually generate a profitable growth. That's the one part of the business. But in a market, as I mentioned, with discontinuity, disruption, with the request for new technologies in the field of powertrain, in the field of connectivity, in the field of advanced driver assistance system, I cannot put all of these requirements on what we consider the mainstream, because these mainstream products need to compete in a very dynamic and aggressively competitive market environment, where you need to be careful that you don't put too much of a cost burden on these products.
So it's almost like a parallel plan that's happening.
And that's the reason why we were desperately seeking for an opportunity to actually get something which we call low investment, but in return lower volume, which gives us the chance to be much faster to the market. And to actually bring all of these new concepts to life, not in a laboratory environment, not in a prototype kind of environment.
But as a final product.
As a final product, which we are going to deliver in significant numbers, but not in high numbers. And this is what we can actually accomplish with a technology called MoFlex.
Yeah.
It's a patent we own at Tata Motors already since a couple of years, since 2007. Where we have invested a lot in order to get it ready for the particular purpose to be used in the automotive sector.
Right, but staying with the